Alright guys, if you're trying to access your ignition switch fuses, that's fuses F100, 101, 102, I think all the way up to 107. You got to get in through the glove box here. There's going to be 6 screws. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you got 6 right in there, right there. You see it right there. And they're just they're all Phillips heads, and then you should just be able to pull this thing off. By the way, your fuse box needs to be up before this will pull out. I thought I maybe had to take some more screws off, but it turns out you don't. But I'm gonna put some tape over this light little thing that pops out. Turn it off. It's not blinding me now. All right, guys. Next up, you gotta get this black box off the top. And honestly, guys, I've never done this before. I'm actually figuring it out right now. You're seeing a genuine first attempt. I just got this off earlier, so I'm gonna show you guys. There's these 2 little clips, 2 little black guys right here that stick out, 1 and 2. You gotta get 2 flat heads. You're going to push the clips in towards the middle and then slide the whole thing back. And once you pop the clips, now the whole thing should just slide off. So once again, it's these little tabs at the bottom that will push open those little guys, right? Bam, and then the middle guy there. Now on this, I just got this guy off too, so you're gonna slide this tab here up that way, and there's another one. Focus the camera there. Another one right here. Push that up, and then I had luck pulling it up from the right side here. So here, let me put my phone back down. Try and get you guys a good angle, but it's kind of hard. There we go. So push these 2 tabs. Maybe do it with my pointer fingers and have my thumbs at the bottom. Kind of pull up from the side there. There we go. Just comes right off. Like I said, guys, I have never done this before. I'm trying to access the F105 fuse. I have not seen any videos on YouTube, so I am making one myself. So here we go, looking up on here, 3rd from the right. It's this guy 1 here, and it is a 50 amp fuse, just like it said. So let's see if I can take it out. You need to unplug your battery for fuses, but these fuses look pretty badass. So now these are 8mm screws, which I'm just hand loosening, and then careful there. Oops. See if I can grab the nut at the same time. It's not quite off, that's why. There we go. Now guys, if you like this tool, it is the similar to the Milwaukee one that 50s Kids has, but it's just, honestly, it's the Amazon special off-brand Von House. But honestly, guys, I've had it for about 2 years now. The battery lasts forever, literally like probably about 20 hours worth of use. It's awesome. I'll have a link in the description for this if anyone wants to pick one up. They're fucking sweet. The other one. Guy off. Now looks like there are some nuts on here, some square nuts. So I'm just gonna try and come on guy, there we go. I would just take them off with my hands, but I'm just afraid of losing them. Afraid of losing them down the hatch. You know what, maybe I will just use my feet. Just save yourself some time here, guys, and get a flathead screwdriver, or actually 2 would probably be better, but I'm trying to hold up the camera here. There we go. I think I got it. I was able to find my my other flatheads here. I got 2 of them now. Let's see, one on the bottom, one on the top. There we go. Is, guys, the fuse. Now you can't see whether the fuse is good or not, right? You can't see inside of it like a normal fuse. So how you can test to make sure it's working is get yourself a voltmeter, switch it to the ohm setting. On mine, I'll just put it to the middle one. It's right in the middle. So if there's a good connection between here, you should see zeros reading on that, or maybe 0.0001. But if there's no connection, then it should look like the same it is right now. I should just read something like that. So let's see. So I just had to get my fingers all situated here, guys. So if we put them on there, on the metal, no reading. It should have zeros if there's some form of continuity between them. So it leads me to believe this is a bad fuse. I think I'm also going to take this 100 out to test it, because the wiring diagram said it was also part of the system, so might as well check it too. Guys, so like I said before, you're going to touch it to both sides, and it should... There you go. It reads 0. That means it tests for continuity. I think it's called an impedance test. So that means we have a good fuse. Yep, and it goes back to nothing. The other one, yeah, there you go, good fuse. The other one was definitely a bad fuse.